Today, we are going to be unveiling the mystery and demystifying the ideology. What do clients really want? First of all, the first thing you should know about clients is that clients in one way or another do not have all the answers. When the client is reaching out to you, they are reaching out to you as a professional. So it's more of a mindset thing, yeah? So when clients come to meet you for a particular project, they expect you to be a professional. They expect you to know what is in their head. So secondly is you need to have very good listening skills. The less you talk, the more you hear. So every single time, whenever you hop on a particular meeting with a particular client, we are always caught in this ideology of wanting to say what's on our mind. And we never really give the client an opportunity to really talk to us so that we can listen and we can all be on the same page. You would fall on a safety net if you allow your clients to express themselves. Let them tell you what that project entirely is going to be about, and try as much as you can to follow. If you must say anything, I would rather suggest that you pick up a note or a notepad on your tab and just jot down things while they talk. Thirdly is to never disagree with your clients. Our words should be bridges of comprehension and not of confusion. So it means that allow your clients to talk and agree with them. Even if you have a contrasting idea about the particular ideology that they are trying to bring up on the project, agree first with what they have, then break it down further for them in ways that they can understand that. But if you are constantly bashing the idea of your clients and not allowing them or giving them room to really express themselves, they'll feel more frustrated and you might not really know what they really are looking for, and it will cause a barrier between the both of you. Fourthly is idea building. Idea building is very important. It means that as a creative, you should be able to build upon the ideas of your clients rather than tearing it down and painting your own pictures. You have to realize that as a creative, you are running a business, and in running a business, it would require you to most times focus on mostly what that client is telling you to do, because obviously they are paying for it. So you need to respect their wishes as clients. Don't try to tear down what they've told you. Try to build on what information that you have been given about the particular project. And lastly is to be a visual storyteller. Clients in one way or another will never understand what they really want. It is very important for you to have a visual representation of the idea that they are trying to pass on to you. Help your clients out of their confusion by creating visual mood boards. This is why we have video treatment to sell the idea visually. You can't use just your words to convince a client about a particular project. They need to visually see what you have in your head, and the easiest way is to have a visual representation, even though it's a picture, a video reference. Sometimes clients bring video reference or something they want to create. So always be a visual storyteller, be less talky and actually show your clients. This is the end of today's video. I hope you guys got something out from today's video. If this video helped you, please like, share, follow and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.